Hello everyone! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. So ngayong hapon nga pala ay a-attend tayo ng graduation ng kapatid ko. Bali, gagraduate na po siya sa elementary. Hi ma'am! And then, alam niyo ba guys, dito ako nag-aral before. Nung elementary pa po ako and now, andito na ako upang mag-attend ng graduation ng kapatid ko. And then, bali nauna na pala sila mama. Andun na sila sa gym. So, ayan, puntahan lang natin. And, syempre, kasama nga pala natin si Bingbing. And then, ka na lang nag-graduate? Kanina, manang sa'yo. And then, bagong graduate lang din si Bingbing sa grade 10. Oh, ayan na pala sila sa gym. Dito muna kami. Sa hagdanan. Ayan, si Delmar. Then, pagwapa ninyo do. Then, si Ana. Bali, pinansa lang po to ni Shin. Mama ni Ana. Te. Oh. Magpalit ka gano? And then, dito, nagbibinta din sila ng garland. Galit na yung anak niya kasi sobrang tagal ng mama niya.
Diba? Sanang lalaki sunod babae.
Bali, nagantay na lang po kami kung kailan silang mag-start. Dito lang kami nakaabang kasi syempre kuhanan natin sila ng video.
Practice sila sa baba.
Sir Regani, Sir Eric S. Mariano, our school principal, teachers, visitors, gentlemen with the team, Filipino graduates, prepared to lead with competence and character. Let us welcome our graduating pupils of batch 2025-2026 in their processional march with their parents.
not only a celebration of completing a chapter in our lives, but also a moment to recognize the support, guidance, and encouragement given by our teachers and families who help us reach this day. On behalf of our graduating batch, it is my great pleasure to warmly welcome everyone to our graduation ceremony. Your presence today makes this celebration even more meaningful to us graduates. Let us all enjoy this wonderful occasion as we honor the accomplishments of our graduating batch and look forward to the bright future that awaits us. Once again, welcome and thank you for joining us in this joyous celebration. Thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you so much, Nicole S. Cawas with honors for a Okay, thank you so much, Prince Wilson Asotilia Ampon with honors for the appreciation message. Thus, nahimo mong tawo nga mga buutan, mga responsible, and at the same time, naa naka-depende sa inyo nga ang bright future kung nagsalig mo sa Ginoo. Try to take a look at your mama and papa o niya, magsulti o thank you. Sige, lakaw na. Tanaw na ko kung unsa man na sila maghatag o pasalamat sa ilang ginikanan. Tanaw na ko ha. Okay. Congratulations, dear parents. This time I know nga dili lalim ang mahimong ginikanan, especially ginikanan karon nga mga generation. But try ninyong tanaw kung unsa ang produkto ninyo mga bata. It's just because kanunay mugong nagapaluyo sa ila. Congratulations, dear parents. Congratulations to all the graduates. And I know nga ang Ginoo
Ampon Elementary School Batch 2025-2026
Batch 2025!
do solemnly pledge to be ever loyal and faithful to God and our alma mater, Ampon Elementary School. We promise to develop ourselves to be matured and genuine citizens every day of our lives to uphold the noble ideas for which we stand for, to live up to your expectation and serve God, our country, and fellow men to the best of our ability, so help us God.
Okay, this time, let's proceed to the
So as you can see dito, ito yung present ko sa kanila. Ibibigay ko to kay Seji, kay Ana, at syempre sa kapatid ko para naman masaya sila. Wala tayong ibang mabigay sa kanila, kaya ito na lang. Alam ko naman na kahit ganito lang yung present natin sa kanila, at least masaya sila. And kasama ko nga pala dito si Shin. At dito na part patapos na, kaya hinahanap ko na yung aking mga pamangkin upang mabigay na natin tong present.